Dow futures down 575 PTs. Post-Fed rally fades on recession fears. U.S. shares are visible starting sharply lower Thursday, dropping the preceding session's profits because the post-Fed rally fades amid developing recession concerns. At 7 a.m. Eastern Time, 1100 GMT, the Dow futures settlement become down 575 points or 1.9%. S&P 500 futures traded 85 points or 2.3% decrease, and Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 315 factors or 2.7%. The essential indices on Wall Street closed higher Wednesday, with the blue-chip Dow Jones Industrial Average gaining 300 factors or 1%, the broad-based S&P 500 rising 1.5%, whilst the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite received 2.5%. The Dow and the S&P snapped five-day losing streaks after the Federal Reserve took a more aggressive stance toward taming inflation, elevating its benchmark fee with the aid of 0.75 percentage factor, its largest boom for the reason that 1994, and signaling more hefty hikes have been to come. However, sentiment has become Thursday as the jumbo-sized hobby rate hike has raised fears that the central financial institution will now not be able to engineer a gentle touchdown for the U.S. economic system. Wednesday's fee hike turned into accompanied via a downgrade to the Fed's economic outlook, and analysts at Wells Fargo now placed the chances of a U.S. recession at greater than 50%. Data launched Wednesday showed that U.S. retail income fell for the primary time in 5 months in May, suggesting that the financial system is cooling unexpectedly, and interest Thursday will transfer to the release of statistics on housing and unemployment traits. Housing starts for May are due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 12:30 GMT, and are predicted to are available round 1.7 million, a slowdown as compared with 1.724 million for April. Initial jobless claims for final week are due on the same time and are expected to are available in at 215,000, down from 229,000 the week earlier. In company news, Tesla, Nasdaq, TSLA might be within the highlight after the electric car producer raised costs for all its vehicle fashions inside the United States, its modern-day price hike amid ongoing global supply chain issues. McDonald's, NYSE, MCD, may also be in awareness after the burger chain agreed to pay round $1.3 billion in fines and again taxes to settle a tax dispute in France, whilst Elon Musk is predicted to reiterate his desire to personal Twitter, NYSE, TWTR, when he speaks to the social media agency's personnel later Thursday. Oil charges weakened Thursday, continuing the preceding consultation's vulnerable tone after the Federal Reserve sharply hiked hobby rates. Losses remain small even though as sentiment within the marketplace basic remains bullish with worldwide supply crimped by sanctions on Russian oil whilst call for in China, the sector's largest importer, is ready to rebound from COVID regulations. U.S. crude stocks rose in the week through June 10. Records from the U.S. Energy Information Administration confirmed Wednesday, however gas inventories fell as demand from American drivers remained robust no matter the document charges. Additionally, gold futures rose 0.1% to $1,822.10 per ounce, while Euro/USD traded 0.4% decrease at 1.0399.